Research and design. Scientists and engineers first study fossils, movies, and computer models of the Megalodon shark. Using 3D software, they design the full body shape, size, teeth, and fins. Steel skeleton frame. A giant steel skeleton frame is built inside the factory. This frame gives strength and supports the massive body, just like bones in a real shark. Mechanical system installation. Powerful hydraulic machines, motors, and joints are installed inside the frame. These systems allow the shark to open and close its mouth, move fins, swing its tail, turn its head. This is similar to robots used in movies. Body molding. The outer body is made using fiberglass, rubber, and silicone. Large molds are used to create realistic skin texture, scars, and muscle shapes. Teeth and jaw assembly. The teeth are made from hard resin or metal and shaped like real megalodon teeth. They are fixed into a powerful mechanical jaw system. Painting and skin detailing. Artists paint the shark using waterproof industrial paint. Colors are added to make it look real. Dark gray top, white underside, realistic shadows and skin patterns. Electronics and control system. Sensors, cameras, and a computer control system are installed. The shark can be controlled by remote control, computer programs, AI in advanced fictional versions, testing in water tank. The giant megalodon is tested in a huge water tank. Engineers check movement, balance, and safety systems. Final use. The finished megalodon is used for movies, theme parks, aquariums, exhibitions, science fiction shows, secure transportation. The captured giant megalodon shark is carefully transported to a high-security factory. Heavy machines and reinforced platforms are used to move its massive body safely. Machine stabilization. The megalodon is placed on a huge industrial machine. Mechanical clamps and hydraulic supports hold the body to prevent movement. Full body scanning. Advanced scanners analyze the shark size, skin, teeth, and internal structure. All data is recorded for research and modification. Strength reinforcement. Special metal plates and internal supports are added to strengthen the body. This allows the giant shark to survive extreme pressure and control systems. Jaw and teeth upgrade. The jaw mechanism is enhanced using heavy-duty machinery. Teeth are sharpened and reinforced for maximum power. Control system integration. A smart control system is installed inside the megalodon. This system helps monitor movement, strength, and behavior. Power and energy core. An advanced power source is installed to support mechanical systems. It powers internal machines and monitoring devices. Skin sealing process. The outer skin is sealed with special materials to protect the body. This makes the shark more durable and water-resistant. Initial movement test. Small controlled movements are tested on the machine. Engineers ensure balance and safety before full activation. Neural control calibration. The control system is fine-tuned to respond smoothly. Sensors adjust movement speed, jaw power, and tail force. Pressure resistance testing. Extreme water pressure simulation is applied. The body and skin are tested to survive deep ocean conditions. Aggression limiter setup. A limiter system is installed to control rage and attack response. This prevents uncontrolled behavior during tests. Full mechanical synchronization. All internal machines, joints, and hydraulics are synchronized. The megalodon's movements become fluid and realistic. Artificial muscle activation. Synthetic muscle layers are activated. They increase speed, strength, and swimming efficiency. Final machine hold test. The shark remains on the giant machine while full power is activated. Engineers monitor vibrations, balance, and stability. Partial release simulation. The megalodon is slightly freed from clamps for limited movement. Tail and fin motions are tested under control mode. Emergency shutdown drill. Emergency systems are tested in case of failure. Instant shutdown ensures factory safety. Visual and behavior analysis. Movement, posture, and reaction are recorded. Data confirms readiness for the next phase. Final approval stage. All systems pass inspection. The giant Megalodon is declared ready for deployment. The giant Megalodon shark remains locked onto the massive industrial machine for long hours. This extended hold tests the strength of the restraints, the stability of the machine, and the endurance of the mega shark itself. Every vibration and movement is carefully monitored. Inside the factory, internal control systems are recalibrated to match the shark's massive power. Sensors adjust muscle tension, heart rhythm, and energy flow to keep everything under balance. The machine then simulates extreme power conditions. Maximum force is applied to check how the Megalodon reacts under peak pressure without losing control. Slowly, the jawlock system is partially released. The bite force is measured carefully, ensuring the shark cannot fully attack while its power is analyzed. Hydraulic resistance is applied to the tail and fins. This tests flexibility, strength, and endurance, confirming there is no structural or mechanical failure. All restraints, clamps, and locking arms are rechecked one by one. Backup safety systems are activated to ensure complete control in case of emergency. The Megalodon's behavior is closely observed. Its response to sound, vibration, and machine movement is recorded, and the control system is updated accordingly. High-pressure scans test the durability of the outer skin. Any weak areas are instantly reinforced to increase resistance and protection. The internal energy core is pushed into long-duration mode. Heat levels, power output, and stability are balanced to prevent overload. Some mechanical support arms are temporarily removed. The giant shark remains partially free while still fully controlled by the main machine. Controlled movement is allowed. Slow tail swings and fin motions confirm balance, coordination, and response accuracy. A master safety override is installed. This system allows instant shutdown if control is ever lost. All biological, mechanical, and control systems are synchronized perfectly. No delays, errors, or instability are detected. The giant Megalodon is then observed silently for an extended period. This calm yet powerful presence confirms full stability. Finally, the factory declares the Megalodon fully ready. Massive gates and deployment systems begin preparation, signaling the end of the factory phase and the beginning of whatever comes next. After the factory phase officially ends, the giant Megalodon shark is moved into a transition chamber connected to the main machine. This chamber is designed to slowly separate the mega shark from full mechanical control while keeping absolute safety intact. Massive steel platforms slide away, and only the core restraints remain active. The lighting inside the facility changes. Red industrial lights fade into deep blue tones, simulating an ocean environment. Sound systems begin playing low-frequency underwater vibrations to prepare the Megalodon's senses for open water conditions. The machine gradually reduces physical pressure on the shark's body. Hydraulic clamps loosen millimeter by millimeter, allowing natural muscle movement to return. The Megalodon responds with slow, powerful motion, its massive body adjusting after long confinement. Internal systems continue monitoring every signal. Heart rate, muscle tension, and aggression levels are displayed in real time. The control unit makes constant micro-adjustments to ensure calm behavior. Water begins filling the containment bay. At first, it covers only the lower half of the machine, then rises steadily. The Megalodon's skin reacts naturally as water flows across its massive body for the first time since capture. As water pressure increases, artificial supports shut down one by one. The shark begins to float, no longer fully dependent on the machine. Only the central stabilization field remains active, keeping it aligned and controlled. The Megalodon slowly moves its tail. The motion sends powerful waves through the water chamber, confirming that strength and balance have fully returned. The factory walls tremble slightly, reminding everyone of the creature's true power. The control system switches to remote guidance mode. Instead of physical restraints, behavioral signals now guide the Megalodon's movement. The shark reacts calmly, proving the factory process was successful. Massive underwater gates ahead begin to unlock. Thick steel doors separate the facility from a deep ocean channel. Water currents flow inward, carrying the scent and pressure of the open sea. The Megalodon turns its head toward the gates. Its eyes focus forward, instinct awakened. The machine fully disengages, leaving the giant shark suspended freely in the water. For a brief moment, everything is silent. Then the final containment field shuts down. The gates open. The giant Megalodon slowly swims forward, leaving the factory behind. Its massive silhouette disappears into the dark blue depths, fully operational, fully alive, and ready for whatever comes next. The giant Megalodon moves deeper into the open ocean, its massive body cutting through the water with silent dominance. Each slow movement of its tail creates powerful currents, disturbing the calm of the deep sea. Smaller sea creatures scatter instantly, sensing an ancient predator returning to its true territory. As the distance from the factory increases, the control system shifts into long-range monitoring mode. Invisible signals track the Megalodon's position, speed, and depth. The connection remains stable, but the shark is now fully independent, guided only by instinct and minimal influence. The pressure of the deep ocean begins to rise. Cold darkness surrounds the giant body, yet the Megalodon remains unaffected. Its reinforced skin and enhanced strength allow it to descend effortlessly, deeper than any known creature. Far above, the ocean surface appears calm. Below, however, the water vibrates with the presence of something massive. Ancient underwater landscapes pass beneath the Megalodon as it explores territory untouched for centuries. Suddenly, the shark pauses. Its senses detect unfamiliar vibrations: metal, movement, distant engines. The Megalodon turns slowly, its massive head scanning the darkness.